Hi everyone, welcome to Chim sneaker. And in front of you is one of the newest sneaker that I got today, the New Balance On Time Classic 574. And here it is. So let's look at it. So this shoe that I just caught a couple of days ago from a trusted website, so I'm 100% sure that this is legit. Here is our baby, the New Balance 574. Yeah, let's have a quick look at it. And now here is our sneaker. Let's have a quick breakdown of the sneaker. This is the model made from Asia country, so I think that they have some similarity with the original form, but there are also some differences. So the main material of the shoes is like white industry leather. So here you can look here, and they are like stitching of the two layers of different color of leather. One is like the dark blue one, and the others is like the white one on top. And the stitching, I think it is extremely firm and good looking on the shoe. And it has like an end cap midsole. Yeah, you can see from here. So, and in this model, it has like a special kind of camo effects on the shoe. And the outsole, it has like a kind of ruching, which make the shoe stick to the ground a little bit better. And in this model, I love it very much because it has a black color, so it wouldn't get dirty so easy. And here is a little rubber band, like made from plastic, at the back of the shoe to keep the form of the shoe stand a little bit better. And here is the shoe color. We have the good cushioning, so I think this shoe is very like good for your feet and very comfortable. And here is a little part we make from suede. And in the toy box, there are also some suede material here too, with some kind of like hole for ventilating, so it makes your feet feel better during hot summer or during running or workout. But I think this shoe is not actually so good for running, it's just like a normal walking shoe, so the design will make your feet feel the most comfy as is. And one thing you can notice here that the shoe here have no eyelet, so you have to put the lace directly through the leather layer, and I think it is kind of good too, not too bad. The insole is removable for this shoe, and you can see it's just from a normal kind of rubber material, normal latex, and it is very thin. So it is not the most comfortable shoe ever that you can get, but I think it's still quite good for its price. And yeah, this model I bought for just like around $40, I guess, because I'm not very good at converting money. So I will put the price below for you to see later. So I think it is quite good for this type of shoe and this type of model. And it is of course it's not the retail price, you have to catch it on sale, but I think it is very worth it and a super comfy shoe to use. Okay, so bye bye and see you in the next video.